Hi everyone, it's Carrie over at DoubleClick. Welcome back to my craft room. Today I am sharing the swap package that I am sending to my swap partner, Deanna, over at Blonde Amazon. She and I are partnered up for the summer vibe swap that myself and Sharon over at From Cheap to Chic are hosting this year. I am so super excited. I had so much fun creating these projects and planning out what I was going to be sending her. And when I found out she was my swap partner, I knew exactly what it was that I wanted to send her. Let's get on to what I'm going to be sending my partner. One of the requirements that we had was to share some sweet treats. I decided to send her my favorite candies. I have this bag that I decorated the front with a doily. I made this rosette out of crepe paper and put this sweet ephemera on it. Inside I am sending her some Swedish fish, and this is the blue raspberry lemonade flavor. Swedish fish is one of my absolute favorite candies. I'm sending her some lemon and strawberry suckers. These go with the theme that I am sending her so well, so I had to send those. My absolute favorite candy that I eat on the regular, and only one store out here sells it, is these giant chewy sweet tarts. I don't like regular sweet tarts, but I love these giant ones. They're so good. So these are the sweet treats that I'm going to be sending out to Deanna. I hope she loves them. I made some fruit ephemera for her using my Cricut machine. I made these giant oranges, and I used an embossing folder to get the texture of an orange, 2 of those. These giant cherries, and these super cute bananas. I'm hoping she could use these in some of her maybe next year's summer projects. They'll be going in this bag, and I've already made a little bag topper that I will be sealing up when I get it ready to mail. I've shared these on my channel before, these handmade lemon shakers that are packaged and ready to go, so I will be sending these to her as well. Some more handmade embellishments. I made this little package. I used my paper crimper. I wanted it to look like a chip bag, but for some reason it didn't imprint very well. Decorated the outside. For this package, I made fruit ephemera, but I used fun foam, and I love how these came out. They're so super cute. We have a lemon and an apple, and I did add a little clay bit to each one. The orange and the strawberry, and the lemon and the watermelon. Hopefully she will have fun using these. I also decided to make some fruit themed bag toppers. I made a shaker apple as well as a shaker watermelon, and I think they came out so stinking cute. I also made her one of these file folder bags. I believe it was Raina at Lilo's Crafts. I will link her channel down below so you can see the tutorial. It was an Echo Park summer collection that I used the papers, and I made a little cluster, some pom-pom trim. I added a Velcro dot, and on the inside I made these summer themed rosettes using the same papers from the Echo Park summer collection, and some word clusters, as well as some square embellishments. I am also sharing with her some tulle. The pink and the yellow kind of match the summer vibes theme. I picked up this little lemon pouch, and on the inside I have included a chapstick, some lemon and orange socks, and I found these watermelon clips in my stash, so I wanted to include them because she has been organizing her paper clips, so I thought that these would be fun to add to her collection. I found these cute fruit themed dollar store stickers, so I just tied it with some ribbon, and I have this fun little Cheers postcard, so I'm just sending that. In this bag that Sharon from Cheap to Chic sent my way, I am including these dies from the dollar store. I think they go with the summer vibes theme. I found this fabric quarter from Hobby Lobby on clearance, and it's lemon, so it's super cute and perfect for this swap. And I had a spare cherry die in my stash. I made this little pom-pom so it wouldn't get lost in the package, and I am going to be sending these to her as well. I picked up this watermelon ribbon on clearance at Hobby Lobby. I will be sending this. It's perfect for this swap theme. For her gift, I had to do it. I had to go and pick up the Disney Doorables. She collects these, and she does lots of fun unboxing videos. Deanna, I watch all of your videos, and I took your tips and tricks, and I looked at all the the numbers on the bottom and I compared it to all the other boxes, and then I tried to figure out which one weighed the most to try and get you one of the higher number adorables inside here. And it was very exciting. I haven't been in a toy aisle in probably 15 years, so it was a lot of fun to find this and pick out hopefully just the perfect one that will not have any duplicates. I cannot wait to watch you unbox this. For my embellishment box, I decided to make a sleeve for it so that she can store it more easily than having it decorated on top. And this is the sleeve. I just did a lot of layering with lots of fun summer themed pieces, and I just used removable sticky dots on this so you can pull it apart and use any of this ephemera that you would like. This is the embellishment box that I am sending her way. I had so much fun creating this. Okay, I kind of went with the lemon lime strawberry watermelon theme. Up here I have a bunch of different type of buttons that are kind of the lemon lime colors. Over here I have some white and clear pearls and beads, and in this section is a bunch of my lemon lime colored dewdrops. We have some white pearls and a bunch of yellow charms and cuteness. I did melt some pony beads, and these are the strawberry watermelon themed colors. Over here I shared a bunch of different kind of stickers in the pinks, reds, green, and yellow colors. We have some lemon lime pom-poms, some pink pom-poms, clips that match lemon lime, pink beads and fun cabochon-y things, cabochon flowers, red, white, and pink clips, some green beads and cabochons. We have some strawberry wooden buttons, some sparkly bling flatbacks, and then I made a couple of compartments. This is red. There's some ladybugs, some pom-poms, some flowers, some hearts, a ton of different little embellishments. And then we have the green one, and we have a yellow one, and then a white one. And in here is some pink flatbacks, gems, and beads. I have some lemon lime themed flatback gems. This is a variety of bows in lemon lime, strawberry watermelon colors. We have a bunch of fun flatbacks and bits and bobs. Here we have some lemon lime themed buttons, some more melted pony beads, but these are in the lemon lime color, some strawberry watermelon dewdrops. And then in here I made some foam and some paper mini embellishments. And that is the embellishment box. The last thing that I created, I made these giant strawberries. They're just made of paper. I planned on stuffing them, but I had such a hard time closing them. I had no choice but to hot glue them shut, so they are empty. They're just for decoration. So I made these really big ones. Then we have this little one. And those are some strawberries. I did make her an ATC card. That's what we discussed. I decided to create mine with the lemon shaker that I picked up. I added a bow, some bling, some cherries, and a word sticker. My info is on the back. And that is my swap for Deanna over at Blonde Amazon. I hope you enjoy the swap. I thank everyone so much for stopping by, and thank you to everyone that has joined in on the swap and everyone that has been watching the videos. I thank you guys so much for stopping by, and have a great day. Bye guys!